Many people believe that becoming financially successful depends on getting a high-paying job, winning a lottery, or starting a business that grows very fast. While these things can help, they are not the main reason why most people become wealthy. In reality, financial success is often built through simple daily habits that are repeated for many years. Small actions may not seem important today, but they can produce amazing results over time. The good news is that anyone can develop these habits, regardless of their current income. One of the most important daily habits is knowing where your money goes. Many people spend money without keeping track of it. At the end of the month, they wonder why they have nothing left. Financially successful people make it a habit to monitor their spending. This does not mean recording every single coin in a complicated spreadsheet. It can simply mean checking your mobile money balance, bank account, or writing down your daily expenses in a notebook. When you know how much you spend, it becomes easier to identify unnecessary expenses and make better financial decisions. Another valuable habit is spending less than you earn. This sounds simple, but many people do the opposite. As their income increases, they also increase their spending. They buy more expensive clothes, bigger televisions, or newer phones, even when they do not need them. Financially successful people avoid this trap. They enjoy life but remain careful with their money. If someone earns 100,000 Kenyan shillings every month but spends 95,000 Kenyan shillings, they may struggle to build wealth. However, a person earning 50,000 Kenyan shillings, while consistently saving and investing part of it, can become financially secure over time. Saving money every time you receive income is another habit that creates long-term success. Instead of saving whatever remains after spending, financially disciplined people save first. Even if you can only save 500 Kenyan shillings or 1,000 Kenyan shillings every week, the habit becomes stronger with time. The amount is less important than the consistency. Saving regularly also prepares you for emergencies such as medical bills, job loss, or unexpected repairs, without relying on expensive loans. Successful people also develop the habit of investing their money instead of allowing it to sit idle. Savings provide security, but investments help money grow. Investments can include businesses, farming, land, shares, or other opportunities that match your knowledge and financial goals. Every investment carries some risk, so it is important to understand what you are investing in before committing your money. Patient investing over many years usually produces better results than chasing quick profits. Reading and learning about money every day is another habit that many financially successful people share. Financial education does not end after leaving school. The economy changes, technology changes, and new opportunities continue to appear. Spending just 15 or 20 minutes each day reading books, articles, or listening to educational podcasts can improve your financial knowledge. The more you learn, the better your decisions become. Knowledge helps you avoid scams, understand investments, and identify profitable opportunities. Setting financial goals gives your daily actions a clear purpose. Without goals, people often spend money without thinking about the future. A goal could be buying land, building a home, starting a business, paying school fees, or reaching a certain amount in savings. Writing down your goals and reviewing them regularly helps you stay focused. Every small saving or wise spending decision brings you closer to achieving those goals. Avoiding unnecessary debt is another habit worth developing. Not all debt is bad. A loan that helps you grow a profitable business or improve your earning ability can be useful. However, borrowing money to buy things that lose value quickly, such as luxury items you cannot afford, can create financial problems. Before taking any loan, ask yourself whether the purchase will increase your future income or simply satisfy a temporary desire. Financially successful people also make it a habit to pay their bills on time. Paying bills promptly helps avoid penalties, protects your reputation, and reduces financial stress. Whether it is rent, electricity, water, school fees, or loan repayments, staying organized prevents small problems from becoming large ones. Using reminders or automatic payments can make this habit easier to maintain. Another powerful daily habit is avoiding impulse buying. Many purchases are made because of emotions rather than real needs. A person may see a discount or an attractive advertisement and immediately spend money without thinking. Before buying something that is not essential, it is wise to wait for at least one day. This simple pause allows you to decide whether the purchase is truly necessary. Many people discover that the desire disappears after a short time, helping them save money. Building multiple sources of income is also a habit practiced by many financially successful people. Depending on only one source of income can be risky. If that income stops, financial challenges may follow. Many people earn extra money through farming, freelance work, online services, small businesses, rental property, or selling products. Even earning a few thousand Kenyan shillings each month from an additional source can make a significant difference over time. Successful people value their health because they understand that good health supports financial success. Poor health can lead to expensive medical bills and reduced ability to work. Simple habits such as exercising regularly, eating balanced meals, sleeping well, and avoiding harmful substances help protect both your health and your finances. Investing time in healthy living often saves money in the future. Surrounding yourself with people who encourage responsible financial behavior is another important habit. Friends influence spending habits more than many people realize. If your social circle encourages unnecessary spending, you may find it difficult to save money. On the other hand, friends who discuss business ideas, investments, and personal growth can motivate you to make wiser financial decisions. Positive relationships often create valuable opportunities for learning and earning. Reviewing your finances every day or every week is another habit that keeps you on the right path. This does not require hours of work. Spending a few minutes checking your account balances, savings progress, debts, and upcoming expenses helps you stay in control. Regular reviews allow you to identify problems early and adjust your spending before things become difficult. Practicing gratitude also supports financial success. People who constantly compare themselves with others often spend money trying to impress people. Financially successful individuals understand that wealth is built through patience, not competition. They appreciate what they have while steadily working toward bigger goals. This mindset reduces unnecessary spending and encourages long-term thinking. Finally, patience is one of the greatest habits anyone can develop. Wealth rarely appears overnight. It grows through years of disciplined saving, wise investing, continuous learning, and careful decision-making. There will be setbacks, unexpected expenses, and difficult seasons. However, those who remain consistent usually achieve better financial results than those constantly searching for shortcuts. Financial success is not reserved for a lucky few. It is built through daily habits that almost anyone can practice. Tracking your spending, saving regularly, investing wisely, learning continuously, avoiding unnecessary debt, setting clear goals, and remaining patient may seem like small actions. Yet when repeated every day, every week, and every year, these habits can transform your financial future. The journey may be slow, but each positive habit brings you one step closer to lasting financial freedom.